Welcome back to AK Luxury Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting vehicles to hit the market, the 2026 Honda 4X4 camper van. If you love off-grid adventures, overlanding, or just taking weekend road trips with all the comforts of home, this van might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Honda has stepped up its game with this rugged, adventure-ready camper, and we're going to break down everything you need to know. Right away, the exterior design grabs your attention. Honda has blended sleek modern styling with true off-road capability. The high ground clearance, aggressive all-terrain tires, and reinforced skid plates tell you this van was built for more than just paved roads. The front fascia is bold, with a redesigned grille and LED lighting that gives it a futuristic but tough look. It's got that signature Honda reliability, but now with a heavy dose of off-road attitude. Let's talk performance. Under the hood, Honda has packed in a powerful yet fuel-efficient hybrid engine. The combination of a 2.4L turbocharged engine with an advanced electric motor system gives you both power and great mileage. With an intelligent all-wheel drive system, this camper van is designed to tackle dirt roads, muddy trails, and even snowy mountain passes with ease. And for those of you wondering about towing capacity, Honda didn't skimp here either. You're looking at around 5,000 pounds, so towing a small trailer or boat is no problem. Inside, Honda really knocked it out of the park. The layout is designed to maximize space without feeling cramped. The first thing you notice is the premium build quality, soft touch materials, durable yet comfortable seating, and a smart use of storage. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, with a large infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The dashboard is clean, modern, and packed with tech, including a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering a breeze. Moving to the living space, the van is surprisingly roomy. The pop-up roof adds extra headroom, making it comfortable to stand up inside. There's a convertible bed system that transforms from a seating area into a full-size sleeping space in seconds. And if you're traveling with a partner or family, there's even an optional bunk setup. The van comes equipped with a small but highly functional kitchenette, featuring a 2-burner stove, a deep sink, and a compact refrigerator. The cabinets and storage compartments are designed with adventurers in mind. Everything is secured for off-road travel, so no rattling or shifting while you drive. One of the standout features is the bathroom setup. Honda has included a built-in wet bath with a shower and a cassette toilet, which is a huge win for those who want self-sufficiency on the road. No more relying on campgrounds or gas station restrooms. The van's water system includes a decent-sized freshwater tank, along with a gray water tank that's easy to empty. Now, let's talk power. The 2026 Honda camper van is equipped with a state-of-the-art off-grid power system. A combination of roof-mounted solar panels and a lithium-ion battery bank ensures you have energy for days without needing to plug in. There's also an inverter powerful enough to run small appliances, and if you need extra juice, there's an optional generator hookup. The climate control system is another highlight. Honda integrated a highly efficient heating and cooling system that runs on both battery and fuel power, ensuring comfort whether you're camping in the desert or the mountains. The van is also well insulated, so you don't have to worry about extreme temperatures affecting your trip. Let's talk about drivability. This isn't just another oversized, clunky camper van. Honda engineered this vehicle with precision handling in mind. The suspension is tuned for both on-road comfort and off-road toughness, meaning you get a smooth ride no matter where you're going. The steering is responsive, and the advanced traction control system keeps you steady on loose gravel, mud, or snow. Safety is another area where Honda didn't cut corners. You get a full suite of Honda sensing features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising down a mountain pass, this van has your back. Now, the big question, how much does it cost? While Honda hasn't released official pricing just yet, early estimates suggest a starting price of around $75,000, depending on trim and options. Compared to other 4X4 camper vans on the market, this is actually quite competitive, especially considering the features, build quality, and Honda's legendary reliability. Who is this van for? If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves road trips, off-grid camping, and weekend getaways, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or even small families who want the freedom to explore without giving up essential comforts. Overall, the 2026 Honda 4X4 camper van is shaping up to be one of the most exciting adventure vehicles of the year. It's rugged yet refined, packed with smart features, and built to handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're hitting the highway or heading deep into the wilderness, this van is ready for the journey. What do you think? Is the 2026 Honda camper van the ultimate adventure vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest camping and overlanding gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.